Welcome to this video. I'm Belinda Lintong.
I am Fidel Manuahe.
I'm Willy Gerung.
I'm Stephanie Pelung.
What is supply chain? A supply chain refers to the interconnected network of individuals, organizations, resources, activities, and technology involved in producing and delivering goods or services from suppliers to consumers. It encompasses the entire process from the acquisition of raw materials to the delivery of the final product to the end user. The supply chain involves various stages such as sourcing raw materials, manufacturing, distribution, and ultimately reaching consumers.
It's important to understand that the complexity of a supply chain can significantly vary based on the product. For instance, a farmer's market product involves fewer stages, that is, directly from the farmer to the consumer. Contrastingly, a production of a smartphone entails a multitude of global sourcing, intricate manufacturing, and widespread distribution.
To be more clear, here's an example of a supply chain for a chocolate bar. 1. Supply. The first stage of a supply chain is supply. To make chocolate bars, raw materials such as cocoa beans, sugar, and milk are needed, and we can find them from various countries and regions, often in tropical climates for cocoa beans. 2. Manufacturing process. The second stage is manufacturing. Cocoa beans are processed into chocolate through various stages like fermentation, drying, roasting, grinding, mixing with sugar and milk, conching or smoothing and refining, tempering, and molding into bars.
Next stage, distribution. The packaged chocolate bars are transported to distribution centers and then delivered to retail stores, supermarkets, or directly to consumers through online platform. And now the last stage, consumption. Customers purchase chocolate bars for personal consumption or as gift. To complete this video, we are going to show you a sketch of a supply chain for another example.
Here are the sketch and example of 4 stages in supply chain management of Starbucks coffee. First stage is supply, wherein the stage are supply process the raw material of coffee Starbucks. Starbucks use CAFE for standard their supply chain in practice, coffee and farmer equity, started from farmers going to processor and supplier. For example, in supplier coffee, Starbucks in Indonesia start from the farm in Sumatra, which is the place as coffee bean farms, and then going to processor place that located in Siborong-Borong North, Tapanuli, Regency, North Sumatra. In that location, the raw material will dry and roasting. The next stage is the manufacturing process. The company owns and uses a handful of manufacturing or roasting facilities. It closely manages that all beans are roasted and packaged in that exact same way. After the coffee beans are harvested, they are packaged and taken to the ocean liners that ship them to any of these roasting plants in Europe and the US. Each of these manufacturing plants is capable of producing about 1.5 million pounds of coffee beans per week. Removing the outer fruit shell is the first step in processing coffee beans, which can be done by hand, but it's mostly done by machine. After this, the coffee beans are cleaned and sorted to be roasted. This coffee processing process is closely monitored to ensure that Starbucks coffee stays the same in all the company retail outlets. The blended roasted and beans are then packaged and shipped to the company central and the regional distribution centers for distribution. And the next stage is distribution process. One of Starbucks supply chain management process is efficient logistics system. The stage involves the commercial activity of transporting the company products. The company uses different models of transportation to deliver its raw materials and process product to various stores. Generally, the company uses ocean shipping to transport coffee beans from different parts of the world. That is, the company import coffee from Africa, Latin America, and Asia in ocean containers. Starbucks products are held at these distribution centers and shipped from their retail stores around the world. Depending on their location, these retail stores are supplied by either the CDC of regional distribution centers. And the last stage is retail outlet or customer service. Starbucks supply chain management process is not only complete without it and user consumer. In order to reach its customer in a cost-effective and timely manner, the company has a wide range of retail outlets, both physical and online. The company has its own stores and partners with the third-party business and physical stores at ideal location. This enables the brand to have a greater reach to consumers. The retail objective of Starbucks' supply chain management process has always been to provide a unique experience for its customers according to the words of the company former CEO, Howard Schultz. The company offers quality product and customer service to its customer using its store's design, location, and the expertise of its barista. When its barista make drinks for customers, a sustained amount of value is created. It offers an in-store customer service experience where customers can sit with their friends over a cup of coffee, work or order, and take their coffee away with them to their desired location.